In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to create an account on the kdboosthub platform successfully. And if you haven't watched a video on how the platform actually works, I've placed a link to it in the video description on the pinned comment section. You should go ahead and watch that before you proceed on with this video and then have your account set up. So I'm not going to be wasting much of your time. Let me go ahead and then show you how everything works. So once again, I'll be leaving the link to the platform in the video description or the pinned comment section of the video so that you can be able to easily access it. So once you visit the link, you will be redirected to this landing page on the home page over here. I want you to click on any button at all over here which says get started or explore services. So once you click on any of those buttons, you will be redirected to this create account page in which you have to fill in your details to have your account created. So the first section over here says full name. So I'm going to be entering my full name, and then the username I'm going to be entering my username, which is kdboosthub. But mind you, I already have an account on the platform, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to still be showing you how everything is done. So let me enter my email and then the phone number. Make sure to use the format that is displayed over here by including your country code. And note, this platform is only for Ghanaian users only. So if we are from any other country apart from Ghana, note that you can be able to create the account, but you can't be able to buy services for your number unless you buy for someone else that you know from Ghana. So we are going to be entering our phone number over here, which is this, and from there you enter your secure password. And then if you have a referral code from anyone, you can simply enter the code over here and then press enter to initiate it on the platform. And once you are done with that, I want you to click on I agree to the terms of services and then privacy policy. And then if you want the platform to remember your login so that you don't have to be entering the password and everything every time, you just have to confirm I'm here. And once you are done with everything, you go ahead and click on create account. So it will take some few seconds to create your account. So as you can see right here, account created successfully. So once that is done, it will automatically log you into your account and then send you straight to your dashboard. And then over here, and there is a setting news pop-up saying get cheap data bundles, a time offer registration and more with instant delivery and secure payment. Stay connected with us. So as you can see, our account is created successfully, and then from here we can be able to access services, top up our account, and then do pretty much more. So right now my account balance is 0, and then on the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to successfully top up your account, and then also show you how you can be able to pretty much order services and then have it delivered to your number without any issues at all. So that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like it if you find it helpful. Then also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Help us reach that. And then also if you have any kind of thoughts on your mind, I want you to write it down in the comment section. Or if you face any kind of issues, don't hesitate to write it down in the comment section. I'll do my very possible best to attend to each and every single one of them. So thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Peace.